as hell. Feel the water?
Yeah.
Is it humid? Is it humid?
Huh?
I'm in my creative. That's cool. Let me take out my jacket.
Yeah, you look bulky.
I mean, the sweater's pretty thick. You see it? Louder. Freezing. There was a fucking potato bug in there.
That's fucking nasty.
It was huge. That's the perfect time of it. So when I color grade everything, it'll bring out the blues and everything.
My legs are shaking.
Of available.
They're just chilling.
They are chilling. How you get? Ah, yeah.
The water?
It's underwater.